Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this what I wore during the month of July video.
The sandals are from New Look, the dress is also from New Look, and the belt is from Ted Baker. The sandals are the same sandals as before, and the dress is from Boohoo. The dress is thrifted. The sandals are the same sandals as before. The wedges are from Zara, and the dress is from F&F. The dress is from TK Maxx.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe.